A star falls one night. Leo the lion cub was lying in the grass, gazing up at the twinkling stars. Suddenly, one of the stars began to twinkle brightly, then fell from the sky. Leo jumped up in surprise and saw the star land in the forest. "I have to find that star and return it to the sky," he said to himself. The journey begins. Leo ran into the forest, following the light of the fallen star. Along the way, he met an owl named Olive. "Where are you going in such a hurry?" asked Olive. Leo explained about the lost star, and Olive decided to join him. "I know every corner of the forest," she said. "Let's find it together." Finding the star after searching for hours, Leo and Olive finally found the fallen star glowing softly near a river. But it was stuck between some rocks. Leo tried to push the rocks, but they were too heavy. Just then, a friendly elephant named Ella arrived. "Let me help," she said with a smile, and with her strong trunk, she moved the rocks away, freeing the star. The star returns home with the star now free. Olive flew up high, carrying the star with her wings. She gently placed it back in the sky, where it began to twinkle brightly once again. Leo looked up, proud of their teamwork. "Thank you, Olive and Ella. We saved the star together," he said happily. From that night on, whenever Leo saw that special star twinkling, he knew it was shining just for him and his new friends.